In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search the Google Business Profile effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a business owner looking to manage your Google business listing or a consumer trying to find more information about a local business, this guide is going to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get precisely what you're looking for. Let's start at the very beginning. First, you need to navigate to Google. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.google.com in the address bar. This will take you to Google's homepage, the starting point for our search journey. Now, you might be wondering, why Google Maps? Well, Google Maps is not just for directions, it's a powerful tool for discovering businesses. To access Google Maps, start by typing Google Maps right into the Google search bar. As you start typing, Google will suggest Google Maps as one of the options. Click on this suggestion or press enter after typing it out. Once the Google Maps search results appear, click on the first link, which takes you directly to Google Maps. You're now set to search for any business directly within Google Maps. This approach ensures you are utilizing the most specific and detailed tool for business searches provided by Google. Next, with Google Maps open, it's time to type in the name of your business into the search bar. Be as specific as possible to get directly to your business listing. This could mean including the name of your business along with your city or even neighborhood if it's a common name. Press enter or click on the search icon to execute the search. Once your business appears in the search results, you might see a list of businesses or directly your business profile. Your job now is to click on your business profile. Doing so will take you to a comprehensive view of your business on Google Maps, including your location on the map, business hours, photos, reviews, and more. A few tips to enhance your search experience. If your business doesn't immediately pop up, double check your spelling or try adding more details to your search query. Also, remember that how you manage your Google business profile can significantly affect its visibility. Keeping your information up to date and encouraging reviews can help your business stand out in searches. By now, you should be looking at your business profile on Google Maps, equipped with the knowledge to navigate and utilize this tool effectively. Whether you're updating your business information, responding to reviews, or just exploring how your business appears online, you're now set to take full advantage of your Google business profile. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to explore more features within your business profile to maximize your visibility and engagement with potential customers. Happy searching!